Hi there, Wade Allen, National Technical Manager for Supply Partners, and we're here at the Solar and Storage Live event in Brisbane. And with me is my handsome friend, Simon Ceglinski from Power Plus Energy. Power Plus is an Australian battery manufacturer. I'm sure you've heard of them. Why don't you tell us a little bit about Power Plus? Now, you guys have been around for quite some time, but significant growth in the last few years. Give us some stats.
Over the last 18 months, we actually outgrew our previous manufacturing factory facility in Bayswater in Melbourne, and we had to move around the corner. We've jumped from about 3,000 square meters of factory to a little over 12,000 square meters of factory.
I remember the old one. A few people were walking over each other, so you've got it streamlined now, hey? Lean manufacturing.
Absolute rabbit warren in the past. You should see our storage shed now, our warehouse. It is monstrous. You could hold 3 or 4 simultaneous football games, I'm sure.
Wow. Okay. So that's what's happening. But what's new? Give me something that Power Plus is really excited to tell us about today.
Well, look, we're really excited about 2 real big things that have happened. First is, over the last 6 years of manufacturing, we've hit just over 250 megawatt hours of storage manufactured for Australian Storage Solutions, primarily off-grid through partners like yourselves.
Yep.
Last year alone was a little over 55 megawatt hours storage manufactured, and we're aiming to nearly double that this year. And then the other really big thing happening for us is that we're on track now with new product roadmap to look at higher energy density batteries and high voltage batteries.
Really?
We might also have some other cool stuff coming through as well.
So I can speak firsthand for working with Power Plus and your guys' support. I love your support because especially your take on support is, I'll just fix it.
Of course, everyone has to be happy.
Yeah, but Power Plus has incredible support. So what's the size of your support staff now, and what are you doing for the off-grid community out there that is having any dramas with Power Plus batteries?
Well, there's actually only 3 or 4 of us in the support team. Not everyone's full-time.
Is that because there's not a lot of dramas?
We statistically have almost no dramas at all. Everyone has problems in life. We don't like them to escalate or to fester, so we deal with them quickly and decisively.
Yeah.
But you know, we're an Australian company. We know who our audience are, and we know that if we're working, especially in commercial or off-grid storage, things get critical really quickly. So we don't like things to go on. But going forward, we're looking at all kinds of new technologies, platforms. Everything is on the table. AI to do remote monitoring of fleets of batteries that are already deployed, whatever it takes. We want the overall experience to be better.
That's fantastic. And you've recently brought back the 120 volt to go with the Cellectronic 120 volt battery inverter. What is new about that over the last one?
So it's exactly the same battery.
Yep.
The very early sequence, we've done a couple of chip upgrades and firmware changes. Fundamentally, it's exactly the same battery from your customers with more flexibility built in. So more usability and more, I suppose, of that robustness that you see from our 48 volt batteries.
Yeah, okay, great. No, I really want to thank you. I love Power Plus, and I'm excited for what you've got coming down the pipe that you can't quite tell us about. So thank you, Simon. Thank you for doing this. And Supply Partners is your partner in off-grid energy. We'll support you right from the beginning, straight through to the end, and post-sale support. We do single line diagrams, design. We can help you with everything along the way. So please reach out to your BDM or our tech support team for all your help in off-grid.